Hi friends! Welcome back to Wonder Learn. Today, we're going on an exciting adventure through the Wonder Forest to learn about problem solving. Are you ready? Let's go! Here we are at the Wonder Forest. Let's solve some fun problems together. Our first challenge awaits. Oh no, we need to cross this river, but the bridge looks too weak. What should we do? How can we cross the river? If you chose B, build a raft using nearby logs. You're right. Let's gather some logs and build a strong raft together. Great job! Look out! The path is blocked by a tangled mess of vines. What should we do to clear the way? What's the best way to clear the vines? If you chose B, use a pair of scissors to cut them. You're right. Let's carefully cut away the vines to clear the path. Well done! What? A big boulder is blocking the entrance to the cave. How can we get inside? What should we do to move the boulder? If you chose C, use a stick and some friends to roll it aside. You're correct. Let's work together to move the boulder. Great job! Look, a treasure chest, but it's locked. How can we open it and see what's inside? How can we open it? If you chose B, search for a hidden key in the forest. You're right. Let's look around carefully for the key. Excellent work. Fantastic problem solving today, everyone. We made it through the forest and solved all our challenges. Thanks for joining our adventure in Wonder Learn Forest. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and learning. See you next time.